you bold and beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope your day is doing great. Today's video is the Besties collab. We do have another bestie. Her name is Sue. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to have her in the Bestie collab because she is such a fabulous lady. She is definitely bold with everything, especially she's very bold with her faith, and I am so glad to have someone who is bold with their faith. And also we have Christine, who is our other bestie. You know, she's my bestie forever, forever, forever. But yes, as you can see, I'm very kind of excited. I don't know why, but I am. But yeah, so we're going to do a spring look. You know, I'm so tired of winter. I'm tired of the cold. I want to be warm. I want to be sunny and have a little fun. You know, be outside. But yeah, so Christine has the newest palette from Nomad, and I'm very excited for her because those colors are so beautiful. But I don't have it, neither does Sue, so we decided to see what we do have in Nomad, and I do have this one. This one is a retired one. It is the Cartagena Magicka. I don't know how to pronounce that correctly, but please forgive me. It's based in Cartagena, Colombia. So it's really cool. So it has the jaguar, it has the toucan, it's the monkeys, it has the snakes, you know, it's really cool. So this is what the color story is. Definitely give you that spring vibe. And I'm very excited about this because why not play with it? Of course, all the products I've used in this video will be down below. I do have video links if you want to check them out to see if you want to spend some money for the products I love dearly and everything else. These look is almost be a baby. Everybody knows how I feel about this product. Who's excited for spring? Raise your hand. I'm excited. But yeah, I'm so happy to have Sue into the Besties collab because I love her energy. I really do. She's so funny and I love her. And, it's great to have someone that kind of matches your energy a little bit. Like, Christine and I are both goofballs. Y'all know because you've watched our live streams and everything else. We're pretty much on the same page. And I would love to do a live stream with Sue and Christine just to have a blast with it. That'd be cool to do. Use this shade right here. It's nice peachy color. We're just going to use it as a transition shade. This shade right here, Alpha. This one is Sina Unra. I don't know how to pronounce them as much because this is Spanish. I don't speak Spanish, so I'm trying not to. Some of it I should ask my boyfriend. No. But it's okay. This is Alpha. At least that one I know which that one says. But these shades are so pretty. This was a totally different formula from the other ones. Honestly, this is a very powdery formula than the other ones because I do have the Witch Salem one. And of course, Nomad came out with a new Clue. They have a new palette coming out for the summer. And I'm like, interesting. I don't know. What I saw was like very metallic colors and like I'm not much into a huge metallic, but how it looks like it is. So we'll see. I'm gonna use this orange. I feel like this is more like a summer palette more than anything, but oh well. I am actually just gonna go this shade right here. Nice corally color. But yeah, I'm so excited. Now we're gonna use this shade right here. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that bright yellow. Ooh. I kind of have to slow down with my spending a little bit because I'm not getting a lot of hours, which is fine. That's just normal. But kind of sucks. So I'm trying to like need to slow down. So it's just like now I have to really think about stuff and like I don't know yet. I'm I'm not definitely not going to do a no buy thing because that's just not me. I'm gonna finish up my makeup and be right back with the finished look. Yes, I really do like this. This definitely speaks spring for me because a little bit of the orange, a little bit of the yellow. Sometimes you see little spring flowers coming up with this orange and little, definitely daffodils are yellow and there's got some orange flowers who do pop up a little bit. But I feel like this is a really good start of way starting out with spring. A little bit of boldness with a little bit of the shimmer with the yellow. It's not as bold, but it's just a softer bold if you don't want to go really, really bold, but this is like a good softer bold. It's like a soft glam, basically. That's what it looks like. But yeah, but yes. So I'm very excited about the Nomad's new eyeshadow palette they're coming out for the springtime this month and everything. But I'm very excited for them. I cannot wait to see what the full collection is. But yeah, make sure you check out my besties, Sue and Christine. I'm so excited that Sue has become part of our besties group. And I'm very happy with that. Yay, I'm so happy. But yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless.